Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to protect your posts on your account on XSwitcher. Easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety. And now click audience and tagging. And here you will find protect your post. Just click on it like this and this will be turned on. And that's how to protect your posts on your accounts on XSwitcher. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.